Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off the FordPass location without the application in 2026. So first of all, you need to start your vehicle or you need to turn the ignition to the accessory mode. After that, mainly this is going to allow you to access the infotainment system. Now, when you are here on the infotainment system of your car, you just have to go to the settings. Then in the settings, look for the option of location. Over here inside the location option, you will find the option of use location, which is going to help you allow access to the vehicle's location. So this particular option will be turned on. So you just have to tap on it and you need to turn it off in order to stop the car from sharing the location data with the FordPass application. This particular option disables tracking even if the application is installed. For complete privacy, you can also turn it off the vehicle modem and connectivity settings. This will stop all the remote features including tracking. After doing so, simply exit and make sure that the changes are saved successfully. Now your vehicle location will no longer be shared. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.